everyone, it's Jaja. Welcome back to our channel. So today is currently 1:55 p.m. and today is a Wednesday. So today I'm here with Mitzi, Jazz, and Princess. So ayan.
pa kami, guys.
Ayan.
Uy, may assignment kami sa Intang SKN.
Ano, nagawa mo ba?
Ako pa ba?
Wow!
So far, nakakapanibago naman yan, sis.
Okay guys, so ayun, next class na namin is IT. So magbibel na rin. So maya-maya akit na rin kami. Hi everyone! So today nandito ako ngayon sa room. Ginagawa ko yung assignment namin for intermediate accounting kasi hindi pa siya nagagawa. Then later, baka kakain na lang kami outside ng school. Baka sa McDo. I'm not yet sure. Kasi I know isa sa amin nagkikrave ng McDo. So ayun, gagawin ko na yung assignment ko guys.
So, hi guys! So, currently umuulan today. And kaya parang masyadong maingay. Hiyayain na namin si Jaja kumain sa McDo! Let's go! Let's go! So hi guys, nasa Jollibee kami dahil nag-change of plan kami.
Yes.
Nagtitipid kami
Kaya,
kasi mahal sa McDo.
oh, tsaka para medyo marami din tao kasi doon. Dito medyo konti lang.
See you later!
See you later guys!
Or only those na need to comply with mga meeting requirements nila so para they could catch up.
Hi guys! So we're back. Done na kami sa IT. And now, kami ni Princess may last class pa kami which is PE.
Yes!
So kayo guys, saan kayo?
Ako. Sige, ikaw. Sige, ikaw muna.
Ako, may class pa ako dyan sa 4OT. Si Ma'am Buendia din yung prom.
Okay.
Ako, uwi na.
Yay!
So, hanggang dito na lang.
Bye-bye!
Thank you all for watching and we'll see you on our next vlog. Bye guys!
Thank you!
Don't forget to like,
Share.
comment, share,
Share and subscribe.
Bye!